Good morning, my dear. How are you all? Last time our lesson was about food and health. Today we are going to continue in the same chapter, okay? Food and health. So please prepare your science book, Sciences for Life, and open it for page 38. Sorry, to page 38, where we saw last time that there are three reasons for eating food. We said that we eat food for growth, to grow and upkeep. Also, we eat food to get energy, where we need energy for playing, studying, and making activities. Also, we need food for protection, where we need to protect our body and for the proper function of our. And I've asked you to write these points in your science copybook, science classwork copybook. Did you? So you had to write three reasons for eating food: food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. So, what are the reasons for eating food? We need to eat food for growth, for energy, and for protection. Now, let us move to page 39. Three types of food. We have three types of food. What are these types? They are categorized according to the reasons for eating these foods. We have food for energy, and you have to correct the figure number one. It is food for energy. So here in page 39, please, page 39, you have to correct here products rich in food for energy, not growth. So cross the word growth and write energy. And here, products rich in food for energy, cross energy, and write growth. Okay? And here food for protection is correct. Okay, so please correct these food are for energy: the fat, oil, butter, candies, pasta, bread, and the jams, sweets, while here the cheese, milk, and the dairy products, nuts, fish, meat are food for growth. Correct it in your book. Then we had products rich in food for energy are the fats, sweets, pasta, bread. All these are food for energy, and the products rich in food for growth are milk and its dairy products, nuts, cereals, fish, meat. All these are for growth, while food for protection are fruits and vegetables. Then, what should you write on your class work copybook? You have first to write your name, science in the middle. Today is Monday, 14th December 2020. It is. You should remember that you should underline with a pencil, draw a long line. Under this line, write activity 1. How is food useful? Page 38. Three reasons for eating food: food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. We're in page 39. We have to write: to satisfy the needs of our body, lunch should contain food for growth and keep up, food for energy, and food for protection. So our lunch should contain these three groups of products. Now we are going to answer the questions in page 38. Look up the meaning of the word upkeep in the dictionary and state an example of upkeep which your body needs. Question number 2, how does food help your body? So here are the answers. Answer the questions, page 38. Upkeep is to keep, care, and feed. So it is to keep, to care, and feed our body. Example, heal a fractured bone. When our bone is fractured, we need to upkeep and feed our body to heal this fractured bone. Also, we need to heal a wound and the growth of hair and nails. These are 3 examples. Of course, there are still many more. Now, the second question, how does food help your body? Food gives our body energy. Food gives us growth or help the body to grow, and food for protection. Remember that you have to write these answers in your classwork science copybook. Now let us answer the questions at page 39. Question number 1. What is the benefit of each type of food? So the answer here is food for growth helps in growth. Food for energy gives the body energy. Food for protection protects our body. Question number 2. Observe figures 1. Products rich in food for energy. 2. Products rich in food for growth. 3. Products rich in food for protection. And now you have to close your book and try to recall as many examples of each food type as possible. So let us recall these groups together.
Food for growth like milk, cheese, meat, eggs, nuts. Food for energy, grain, cereals, pasta, butter, bread. Food for protection, fruits like apples and vegetables like a cucumber.
Excellent, my dear. Yes, these are the food that we had in each group. Question number 3. We have to study the following breakfast menu. We have 1 glass of milk, 1 cheese sandwich, 1 cucumber, and 1 apple. Does this breakfast, my dear, contain all of the 3 types of food? Who can answer this question?
Yes, this breakfast menu contains all 3 types of food. Milk is food for growth. Sandwich is food for energy. Cucumber and apple is food for protection.
Number 4. State which type of food is lacking in a kitchen with rice dish. Okay? Now, who can answer this question?
A chicken with rice dish lacks for food for protection. Rice for energy, chicken for growth, and there is no food for protection, so it is missing the food protection.
Excellent, excellent, my dear. I'm very proud of you. So, a chicken with rice needs food for protection. There is lacks for food for protection. Rice is food for energy, chicken is food for growth, but there is no food for protection. So, my dear, here are the answers for all what we did in pages 38 and 39. Remember that you have to write these papers in your science classwork copybook. Okay, these 3 papers for pages 38 and 39 as I did here in my copybook.